Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Richa Malik and I have secured an All India rank of 247 in the recently concluded INSET July 2021 session. And first of all, I would like to thank Pre-PG for giving me this opportunity to share my strategy with you all and my exam preparation. I have completed my MBBS from Government Dharmapuri Medical College, which is in Tamil Nadu. And after finishing my post-internship, I decided to prepare for NEET PG or AIMS exams and all. I got a rank of 87,000 in my NEET 2020, in which I wasn't prepared at all. And after that, we had in our pandemic thing and all, where our internship was extended for 1 month till May 2020, and then I was sure that okay, we have to go with the online platforms to prepare for the exams and all. So I subscribed to Marrow, and then I did my preparation from Marrow, like all the videos and the Q banks. I finished them all, and then when I gave my November 2020 INSET, I finished my one reading along with 1.5 revision. And my rank in November INSET was 5640, which was 5,000. And I wasn't satisfied with my rank because I knew I can do better. So then I started analyzing that where I'm going wrong. And then when I was analyzing, I knew that my concepts were good, everything was okay, but then my MCQ practice was lagging. And then when my brother, he advised me that you should use Pre-PG app. In this Pre-PG app, we have so many features to strengthen our MCQ practice. Like we have daily free test, like it's free for all of us. We don't even need to subscribe to Pre-PG, and we can give this daily test, and first we can see where we stand, like what's our ranking in the daily test among the students. And then we can repeat the task, like every day we can give the test, we can see our weak areas, our strong areas, and then we can work on our weak areas. And another feature which is very good in Pre-PG is the revision thing and all. We have sections like workout section, we have revision sections. In revision sections, automatically those questions which are doing wrong, like every day we make mistakes, those questions will come up in the revision section, and every day we can redo those questions, and we can correct our mistakes every day. That is a very good thing which I found in Pre-PG. Then I really liked the Pre-PG approach of practicing so many questions, like we have 23,000 plus questions, and that's a very good thing. And I made a schedule that okay, every day I have to give the test, and every day I have to analyze my mistakes and correct them and read it from notes, and that's a very good strategy to see where we are going wrong. Then I really liked Pre-PG, and then I subscribed Pre-PG for a month or two, and during that time period, what I did is I specifically I would select the exams, like all the AIMS questions, like the recent 3 years or 4 years AIMS questions, or PGI questions, JIPMER questions, or just NEET PG questions, and then I would solve them. And I will see the exam pattern, like when you see solve just AIMS question, you will see that what are questions they are asking repeatedly, and then if you are making mistakes, you can go to the revision section and then you can correct them, and that becomes like a pattern where you are doing questions again and again, and then you are correcting your own mistakes, which is a good thing about Pre-PG. And then strengthen that thing helped me a lot. And then the flashcards option is very good. So once you subscribe to Pre-PG, you also get this feature of flashcards, where subject wise, topic wise, we have so many flashcards, and that's like the factual memory we all have to revise. So one way of memorizing those facts is by doing those flashcards, and you can see whether you know the fact or you don't. If you don't, then again and again every day or every week you can come back to it, and then you can revise those facts also. And then we have these social platforms, like we have study circles, where we or our friends, we all can do small subject tests, or these subject test sessions we can do together. That is a very good thing. And then we have discussion part, where if we have any doubt we can directly ask to our friends, or something like that. It's very good. And every week we have GTs in pre-PG. Like, we all say that we should do one GT per week, and then we just don't do it. We become lazy sometimes. But the pre-PG has a very good thing, that it gives you weekly GTs, and then you just have to solve it. Like, every Sunday I made a habit that every Sunday we won't have any other test, and then we can do a GT the whole day. We can do the GT, we can analyze where we are going wrong the whole day, and then accordingly we can go forward, like which subjects we have to do the next week, and then that becomes a pattern. That's a very good thing about pre-PG, I think. We also have videos in pre-PG, where if we find that okay, our particular subject is weak, we can go to those videos and can check them out. We also have prep DNA, and that's like the best part of pre-PG, where we have subject wise analysis, we have topic wise analysis. So suppose your one subject is very weak, so they will show you in red color, orange color, like how weak it is, and then we can particularly go to that topic, and we can select the topic and just do the workout. And we have to find that if our concepts are weak, we have to go back to our notes and do those notes, or just solve questions. And like, throughout your year, or at least 5-6 months, you'll see that you're improving. Like, I started with a daily rank of 300-400 in my daily test, and then till the end I used to get in top 10, like 1 to 5 rank or something like that. And that really boosted my confidence, that okay, I'm getting like top 10 rank in this, and so I can do well in the further test. And I also want to use this platform to share some strategies with you all. Like, first of all, if you're preparing for an exam, keep some like 5-6 months, or at least 2-3 months properly scheduled plan of like 10 to 12 hours at least effective study, so you can do a major chunk of your topics. And then for do daily revisions, and then we can use a lot of strategies to do daily revisions. Like, you can use pre-PG to do your test. Like, suppose today it's a medicine day, I can read medicine the whole day, and then night I can give the test. And then it has subject combinations like biochemistry and pharma, something like that, microbiology and path. So like 2 subjects we can do in a day. So today if I do microbiology along with path, so same day night I can give the test. So that's a very good strategy to combine subjects. And then we also have test in pre-PG. Then factual things, we can either have a extra notebook and write them down, but the notebook, the problem is we don't go back to our notebook, so we just tend to forget that we have written. So we can use our like study table wall and all to write those facts. And then I would use to maintain a calendar. Like, every day I would write my score in the daily test and what was my rank, and every day I would try to improve with those ranks. And that's a very good method to see if you're improving or not. So we can see whether we are lagging in our concepts or our MCQ practice, and then we can do that practice from pre-PG. That's it. I think we all should have a clear goal in our mind, like what's our dream branch and dream college, and then we should chase it. So once we have a proper dream in our mind, and then we can prepare even better, and pre-PG helps a lot in that. That's it, I think. Thank you so much.